Ndikombeti Garwi ndiri kufara zvokuti nechitiko chaitika paMagamba pano kusimudzira vana vedu vatosumuka chaizvo chaizvo. Ministry iri kusumudza mayuthi zvakanyanya, saka ndiri kutendawo kuti nemwana wangu abatsirika nemuupenyu hwake, saka zvinokudzwa. Toda kutotendaiwa pachakare nevaramba vachingoda kusumudzira mayuthi mazvita.
This awesome crowd of people as we celebrate, ululate and motivate graduates in this second grand graduation and prize giving ceremony. Guest of honor say, allow me to read my progress report. We appreciate efforts that you have made in the Ministry of Youth in ensuring that some of the vacant posts were filled in and allow our centers to operate effectively and efficiently. This has created a sense of enthusiasm, creativity, and commitment to transform centers into hives of productive activities. Various staff development initiatives have been taken so as to equip new centers and trainers with the knowledge on government procedures and statutes that are in tandem with the public entities. Clothing and textile trainers who went to India came back with a different mindset, hence they are improving the quality of training in our vocational training centers and adding value to our students, especially in entrepreneurship and productivity. We thank you for that. Achievements: innovate, digitalize and enterprise, training and skills development, combating drug and substance abuse. This is our theme, a deliberate theme that we adopted because our thrust in vocational training centers is to reduce the impact of drug and substance abuse. Manicaland vocational training centers have become beacons of skills provision, and no one affords to ignore us, as we have spread our wings to every district and ward in the province. We have 9 operational and established vocational training centers, namely Magamba, Nyanyadzi, Kukwanisa, Mutare, Marange, Gebet Chitepo, Chipinge, Buyera, and Chiwetu in Makoni. We also have 2 satellite VTCs, namely Manyera in Mutare and Magwe in Chimanimani. All these vocational training centers work tirelessly with various partners and stakeholders. Hence today, we have a total of 2,264 guests of honor, 2,264 youths graduating today, comprising of 1,448 males and 816 females. In the spirit of leaving no place and no one behind, we have been guided by the principle of inclusivity and trained youth from as far as Mahenye in Chipinge, Rwenya in Nyanga, close to the border with Mozambique. We have trained 12 youths with disabilities in the process and also rehabilitated youths who were victims of drug and substance abuse. 899 students were trained in short community skills outreach courses through collaboration with the partners who have provided transport and other mechanisms for us to reach out to furthest points. Let me safely say, guest of honor, as VTCs, we have emerged to become giants who are contributing towards manpower development and shaping the landscape of the informal sector, not only in Zimbabwe, but in SADC. We now have graduates.
Through the recognition of prior learning policy introduced by the ministry, we are creating pathways for vulnerable and marginalized youth, including young mothers, to become self-reliant and enhance their socio-economic status. These vocational programs are designed to meet a variety of needs, empowering participants to secure meaningful livelihoods and contribute to the rural industrialization of our communities. Parents and guardians here present, let us encourage our youth to take advantage of these opportunities. This is not just about education. It is a pathway to empowerment and self-sufficiency. Together we can break the cycle of poverty and build a brighter future. I commend Magamba, Ukwanisa, Marange, Mutare and Magamba VTCs for successfully installing Wi-Fi at their centers. This is a crucial step as digital skills are vital for our youth. The ministry strongly supports this initiative and plans to establish more digital innovation hubs in VTCs across the country. In a similarly positive development, the 5 VTCs have installed solar power systems. This aligns perfectly with the green economy thrust by harnessing sustainable solar energy. Moving forward, most new VTCs will incorporate solar systems, ensuring we leave no one and no place behind in this transition. The ministry is also expanding access to training. The recent establishment of VTC in Makoni will now allow local youth to enroll in large numbers. Patakauya gore rakapera pano pakange paine vana 1000 but gore rinoita kutopinda 3000 vana vari kugraduate pano nhasi, which means tine vana vakawanda ende tine basa rakawanda ratinofanira kuita. Furthermore, the Magamba VTC Nanga is being revitalized through infrastructure refurbishment and the introduction of new courses. I'm truly impressed by the remarkable developments taking place here at Magamba VTC since the last graduation ceremony. The center has refurbished a hostel I think, but ndakandishitaura nababa pamhlanga ndikati tinokuwanza energy yedu mukuita zvinhu zvakanaka. Majurawo ari pano aya atishade takudawo zvinhu zvakanaka, because VTC ino VTC nemukurumbira ende VTC iri pahighway. Saka kuti vana vanzi vari kuuya kuVTC vachigara mumajurawo zvinondipedza simba. Ndakanzwa kuti makaplana kuti 5 hectares dzetopa pano handiti. Saka zvikuratidza kuti muita zvakanaka pano. Todawo kuona zvinhu zvakanaka futi pano. These initiatives, commissioned by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, in November 2024, must now evolve into commercial production units operated as a viable business to ensure financial sustainability. I urge all vocational training centers to establish commercial business units. Support from Treasury should only complement locally available financial resources. Zvekuti munenge muchingoti pese zvinhu zvatomera hatina mari kuno, toda kuti Ministry of Finance itipe mari, zvinofanira kudarika because zvepekuitsvagira mari munapa. Tsvagai mari mega pano, munoreisa mari mega pano. To achieve our ministry's vision of an empowered youth actively participating in national development by 2030, we need to collaborate with all development stakeholders and invest in programs that uplift our young people. Vocational training plays a crucial role in this vision. It provides youth with the skills to innovate, embrace digitalization, and establish enterprises, transforming their potential into productivity and their dreams into development. This aligns with the recently launched National Youth Empowerment Strategy, a transformative framework aimed at unlocking the full potential of young people as key drivers of sustainable national development. Ndinotarisira kuti vanhu vatiri kudzidzisa mabasa pano havachanonetse vabereki vavo, because vabereki vari mubishi kutsvaga tumari two vanenge vainatwo kuti vana vauye pano vawane maskills. Saka imi muripo maskills, chiregai kunoti nyadzisakara makuenda kumisha yenyu. Kana munovaratidza zvamakadzidza mudzokere nazvo munosimudzira misha dzenyu nemhuri dzenyu.